Hey Cancer, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. How are you all doing? We are going to read for you and your person or your situation, whatever you're going through. We have the first card out is the Temperance. Okay, trying to balance out something, keeping peace maybe. Then we have the Ace of Wands regarding a very passionate situation, connection, love, or maybe something you're passionate about. Okay, then we have the Six of Coins. Yes, we are passionate about maybe work, your job, business. Two of Cups, passionate about love. Okay, feeling the lack, feeling okay. Eight of Coins, very much feeling the lack, not feeling loved enough, feeling hurt. Six of Coins is not getting equal give and take. Seven of Swords, someone is deceptive here, not telling you don't know the entire story, you don't know the entire situation. Then we have the Empress, and we have the Nine of Swords, too much of mental conflict, and we have the Four of Coins. A lot of this, everyone is getting Four of Coins this time today as I read. Okay, the bottom of the deck is King of Swords. So we have the Empress and the King of Swords. Okay, let's see. As I said, you're very hurt. Eight of Coins. In this deck, if you can see, the woman in this card, her feet and hands are bleeding because she's focusing so much on work. She doesn't want to lift her head and see around. She just wants to keep working and work till she's totally exhausted, and she's crying in this. You can see the tears rolling down over here. So that is what one of you is feeling right now. And the Seven of Swords is like you feel cheated, betrayed, and hurt very badly. You don't think there is a equal give and take. Temperance tells me that just you're trying to maintain a balance in this connection. This can be a love situation, or as I see this looks like a marriage situation. Cancers, if I can see, can be a love relationship or just a relationship or a marriage. Maybe you're one of you, and I don't see any third party situation over here, but you are not content, you are not happy in this. Like you are having sleepless nights regarding regarding your situation. You think there's no equal give and take. You want balance, you want temperance, but you're getting Six of Coins. You're just getting crumbs as in this connection. You have love, you have a lot of love for you, but you think that they don't love you anymore. And why they don't love you, you don't have an answer for that, because I cannot see a three party situation. Let's see. We have the King of Swords here, some kind of news regarding you're going to get Ten of Cups. Yes, this is a family situation, definitely. Then you have the King of Cups as well. Okay, gender doesn't matter, guys. King of Cups and the King of Swords here can be too many people involved in this situation. Okay, and they have strong opinion in this. Like we have the Strength and the Sun, but you getting the outcome is going to be happy. Because whatever you're doing, you're going to get your Ten of Cups right now, because you have the strength and you have the focus right now to do what exactly you need to do. And maybe it is hurting too much, but your vision is clear. Like the Empress is like focused very much what she wants. She's like, she knows what she wants. Okay, we'll pull out some fortune cards, the tea leaves cards for you. See what comes up. Okay, first card out. Second. Okay, we have 3, 4 cards. Okay. We have a ring. The marriage will take place, either romance or business. So it can be business, but I think this is a relationship. So okay, maybe you're going to get married, you're going to get your 10 of pentacles, stable, hard work ahead. Definitely you are still working hard and you have little more uh, efforts to do. T, affairs with your family. Yes, lot of family affairs. 10 of cups, family is involved. And purse, pay attention to your finances. Definitely everyone needs to do this, but for you cancers, this is definitely your advice. Pay attention to your finances. So cancers, this is your reading. I hope the reading helped you. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, all the best. Take care, stay safe, bye.